Welcome to our Crucial RAM Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the comparison between the Crucial RAM 64GB kit and the Crucial RAM 32GB kit. Both of these DDR4 laptop memory options offer impressive features, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's explore their specifications, pros and cons, and find out which one is the best fit for your computing needs. The first major difference between these two RAM kits is their capacity. The Crucial RAM 64GB kit offers a substantial 64GB of memory, ideal for users who run multiple demanding applications simultaneously or engage in heavy multitasking. In contrast, the Crucial RAM 32GB kit provides a solid 32GB of memory, which is sufficient for most everyday tasks and moderate gaming. While the 64GB kit is perfect for power users, the 32GB kit is more than adequate for typical users looking to enhance their laptop's performance without breaking the bank. When it comes to pricing, the Crucial RAM 64GB kit is priced at $116, which reflects its higher capacity and performance capabilities. On the other hand, the Crucial RAM 32GB kit is much more budget-friendly at $58. This significant price difference makes the 32GB kit an attractive option for users who want to improve their system's performance without a hefty investment. Ultimately, the choice between these two kits may come down to your budget and performance needs. Both RAM kits share similar technical specifications, including DDR4 technology and support for speeds of 3,200 MHz, 2,933 MHz, and 2,666 MHz. They both have a CAS latency of CL22 and come in the SODIMM form factor, making them compatible with a wide range of laptops. This similarity means that regardless of which kit you choose, you can expect reliable performance and compatibility with your system. However, the key differentiator remains their capacity and price. In conclusion, both the Crucial RAM 64GB kit and the Crucial RAM 32GB kit offer excellent performance and reliability. The choice between them ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you require maximum performance for demanding applications, the 64GB kit is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a cost-effective upgrade, the 32GB kit provides great value. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.